Hey woodcutters, today I'm going to go over my favorite knot, the Alpine Butterfly. Let's put that camera over my shoulder and I'll show you how to tie this knot super quick. This is a midline knot, so you could tie it anywhere in the middle of a rope, and pulling in all directions it still holds, and to untie it's really easy as well. So you're in the middle of the rope, you take a twist, a second twist. This is the hole you're going to go through right there. You take this loop, pull it up and under, and back through this loop right there. And then you want to be able to set it, dress it, and inspect it. So that's the Alpine Butterfly like that right there. It's really my favorite knot just because it's so cool. Looks like a butterfly. To break it open, you could just break it open that way like a bowline. So it's easy to untie. There's a second way to tie it, but I won't even go over that. The best is just to practice it and get it dialed in. So last time, a big loop in the midline of the rope, one twist, two twists, that creates this loop. Between here is where that bite goes, and it goes through that midline there. Set, dress, inspect, and there's your Alpine Butterfly. This channel is All Things Wood, so if you like this video, hit like and share, and subscribe if you like these kinds of videos. Thank you for watching.